Relying on your memory to manually transfer money into savings every month is a fragile system. One forgotten week, and the whole thing shatters. Today, we are going to build an indestructible vault instead. Before, your paycheck enters checking and gets instantly drained by daily expenses. After, a small percentage cleanly diverts to an isolated, interest-earning emergency fund. Once built, this loop runs entirely in the background. You won't log in, click transfer, or rely on willpower. To execute this, you need 3 things. Pause the video, grab your state ID or driver's license, locate the routing and account numbers for your primary checking account, and set aside exactly 15 uninterrupted minutes. Our goal right now is not to magically deposit thousands of dollars into a bank account. Our goal is to construct the automated machine that will systematically save those thousands for you over the next year. Step 1 is defining your target. I want you to grab a pen and physically write down your initial savings goal. Most people freeze at this exact stage. They try to calculate their true 3 to 6 month living expenses, get completely bogged down by the math, and end up taking no action at all. We are bypassing that math entirely. Your target is a flat starter goal of exactly $1,000. That specific amount absorbs a blown tire, surprise medical bill, or broken appliance. Keep the target simple so you can actually hit it. An arbitrary, achievable target that gets you moving immediately beats a perfectly calculated spreadsheet that sits on your desktop for a year. With the target set, step 2 is selecting the right container to hold your emergency funds. If you keep your emergency cash in the exact same primary bank account you use to buy groceries or pay for subscriptions, it will inevitably get absorbed by your daily expenses. You will spend it. You need to open a high-yield savings account at a completely different banking institution than your primary checking account. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is simply a bank account paying a significantly higher interest rate than a traditional physical bank. Housing your money at a separate bank keeps it completely out of sight when you check your daily balance. It also introduces a natural 1 to 2 day delay when transferring funds back to your checking account, creating a mandatory cooling-off period that kills impulse purchases. Look at this exact checklist when evaluating your new bank. You want 0 monthly maintenance fees. You want it to be FDIC insured, meaning the federal government protects your money against bank failure up to $250,000. And you want an APY, or annual percentage yield, of 4% or higher, so your money consistently beats standard inflation. Go to the website of the bank that meets these criteria. Click Open Account and type in your details using the ID you grabbed earlier. Having to log in to a separate portal to see this money isn't an inconvenience. That geographical and digital distance is a deliberate security feature, protecting your savings from your own spending habits. Step 3 is building the bridge between your primary fuel source and your new vault. Log into your primary checking account online. Navigate to your account details and locate your specific routing and account numbers. This split screen shows the exact handoff. Take those routing and account numbers from your checking account and paste them directly into the Link External Account section of your newly opened high-yield savings portal. At this stage, you will hit a standard security verification hurdle known as microdeposits. Microdeposits are exactly what they sound like. To prove you actually own the checking account you just linked, the new bank will initiate 2 tiny deposits, usually under $1, into your primary checking account. Over the next 24 hours, monitor your primary checking account. When those 2 distinct penny amounts show up, note the exact values. Log back into your savings portal and type them into the verification prompt to finalize the link. Once that one-time technical handshake is complete, the pipes are fully connected. The infrastructure for your financial automation is officially live. Step 4 is where we permanently remove human willpower from your savings equation. Inside your high-yield savings account, navigate to the Transfer Funds dashboard. Look at this transfer screen, because this is the most crucial action of the setup. When configuring, you must change the transfer type dropdown from one-time to recurring. As you continue down the form, you will select your transfer frequency and a start date. Here is the strict rule for setting that calendar date. Schedule the recurring transfer for exactly 1 day after your paycheck traditionally clears into your checking account. If you get paid on the 1st and 15th of the month, your automated transfers fire on the 2nd and 16th. This guarantees the money is safely swept into the vault before you ever have a chance to look at your checking balance and spend it. Trying to manually save whatever money is left over at the end of the month requires discipline, which frequently fails. Saving automatically at the beginning of the month requires nothing, and it works every single time. Look at the confirmation screen in front of you. If you see a green checkmark next to a scheduled recurring transfer, the hard work is done. You have successfully built a bulletproof emergency fund system from absolute zero. Financial security is rarely about massive windfalls. It is the result of relentless, automated micro-actions, repeatedly striking the same target over time, silently carving out a massive reserve while you go about your daily life. Let this machine run completely untouched until your vault hits that $1,000 target. Once you hit that milestone, you will come back, calculate your true 3 to 6 month living expenses, and simply increase the transfer amount to hit that final goal. To cement this commitment right now, scroll down and comment below with the exact date your very first automated transfer is scheduled to hit the vault. Let this system do the work.